Hello, today I will tell you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document. Now you can see a simple type of PDF document that I will convert to a Word document. I did the document conversion on the website. The home page is called smallpdf.com. But the full address is smallpdf.com/pdf to Word. To be able to convert a PDF document, you need to select it in the file system and specify it. Then click on the Choose File button. The document conversion process is in progress. Then, when the conversion process is finished, it is possible to download the Word document by pressing the Download button. As you can see, the PDF document has been successfully converted to a Word document. It is possible to make corrections in the document if necessary.